Laundry detergent is the key to keeping your clothes clean. Nobody wants to smell like a pig that's just rolled in mud. The problem is, it's not cheap. So I decided to do a little experiment. I have my cheat sheet here. Let me tell you which ones I picked. I went to Costco and bought the Kirkland. I went to Walmart to buy Sun, Target for their fresh linen up and up brand, Aldi for Tandle, and BJ's for Purex. So BJ's was interesting because their name brand was actually more expensive than Purex. And we'll get to the results in a few minutes. I'm going to save my favorite two for last. One is my favorite because of the way that this smelled, comparison to the cost. And the other is my favorite because it did a great job cleaning. It smelled pretty darn good and it was the cheapest. So we're gonna do those last. Stick around to the end of the video to see the last one. Let's talk about the one that I wasn't happy at all about, Purex. Purex was about 6 cents per load. I got it at BJ's and it did not do a great job. First, it didn't clean the clothes as well as I had hoped. And second, I like a little bit of a scent. I know, clean doesn't have a smell. I hear it a lot from my good friend Stacy, but I like my clothes to have a little bit of a something. Purex had nothing. So by the time it came out of the dryer, there was no smell to it at all. And the clothes were okay. However, I do have somebody in my household that holds odors into their clothes. That's the real test to see if those odors can come out of clothes. For example, if you have a small child or a baby and you want to get the urine smells out of clothes, Purex probably isn't going to do it for you. Purex was the clear loser on this one. Now, Aldi is a fantastic place to find some really great deals. However, laundry detergent is not one of them. At 8 cents per load, the Tandle was just a mediocre brand. I mean, it didn't really do much of anything for me. The liquid itself was pretty thin, felt like there was a lot of water in it, and it just did an okay job. Now, if you're in a pinch, at the time that I bought this, a bottle of laundry detergent was $5. So it's a small bottle. If you're in a pinch and you're at Aldi and you need something quick, grab it. It'll do okay. Up and Up from Target was a fantastic product, but it was 10 cents per load. Spoiler alert, this is twice as much as the clear winner. It depends. It depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for the cheapest detergent that does the best job, Target brand is a good detergent. Mind you, loved the smell. I used the fresh linen scent and it was wonderful. I would definitely buy it again for my own laundry if I wasn't looking for the cheapest, best laundry detergent. If I'm looking for a middle to higher end brand name, the Target brand did a fantastic job. It held the scent, it was a thicker liquid, and it was only 10 cents a load, which isn't terrible. Oh, and it got all the scents out. All of the odors out, all of the stains out. It really did a nice job. The most expensive one that I tried from Costco was my favorite. I would absolutely buy this one again. However, it was 14 cents a load. So it was the most expensive, but it was also the thickest, the one with the nicest smell. I used the Kirkland Ultra brand, Ultra Clean brand scent, comparative, I think, to Tide, but it was fantastic. It was thick. It got all the smells out. It held a scent all the way through the dryer. And then also later on, when I went into my closet to pull out clothes that I had done a few days ago, it still had a faint scent to it. So it's an excellent, excellent product. But again, out of all of the 5 that I tried, it's definitely the most expensive. Okay, if you hung out to find out who the clear winner was out of all of these, now this is when we're talking about a cheap product that will do the job. You want something that's the cheapest that you can find without using coupons or using discounts or using sales. The cheapest product that does the job the best. Let's talk about Sun from Walmart. I was 100% blown away and impressed by how this laundry detergent cleaned my clothes. 5 cents a load. Super cheap, super great, great scent. I used the Triple Clean Tropical Breeze scent from Walmart. It was actually less than 5 cents a load. It was 0.49 cents a load. Totally impressed. I would definitely buy this again. It had a nice scent. The consistency wasn't super thick, but it was okay. It got the clothes clean, and the scent was still there after it came out of the dryer. So if you're looking for a clear winner, I would definitely check out Sun from Walmart and see what you think. Now, listen, I'll tell you, I'm a Gain woman. I love Gain. I love the smell of Gain. I love the thickness of Gain. I love how Gain treats my clothes and works out those dingy smells and stains. But when you're on a budget and you're trying to live as frugal as possible, you need to find something that's going to do the job for less money. Gain is way too expensive. Even if you find it with a coupon and a sale, it's still much more than Sun is. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.